In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Skype. This setup is a simple way to send Skype message updates into Slack using an automation platform, so your team can stay informed without constantly switching between apps. We'll be using Zapier to create the connection, and the whole process is code-free. To begin, open your browser and sign in to your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the button that says Create Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define what starts the workflow and what happens next. In the first block labeled Trigger, search for Skype and select it from the app list. Then in the App and Event menu, choose New Message and continue. Next, connect your Skype account. In the Account section, click Sign In to start the secure Microsoft sign-in process. A pop-up window will appear where you'll log in and approve access so Zapier can read the message activity needed for the automation. After that, go to the trigger settings and choose the specific chat or conversation you want Zapier to monitor. Once that's selected, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent Skype message so you can use it as a sample. When you see a valid record, continue with the selected record. Now it's time to set up Slack as the destination. Open the second block labeled Action, search for Slack, and select it. For the event, choose Send Channel Message, then Continue. After that, connect your Slack workspace by clicking Sign In and authorizing access. Once Slack is linked, you'll configure how the message should appear. Choose the channel where you want the notifications to be posted. In the message text field, build your alert using the data from Skype. For example, include the sender's name, the timestamp, and the message content so each alert is easy to read at a glance. You can also enable the option to send the message as a bot, which helps keep the automation looking clean and consistent. Then enter a bot name that makes sense for your workflow. When everything is set up, scroll down and click Test Step. Then check your Slack channel to confirm the test message appears correctly. This is the best moment to review the formatting and make sure the alert is clear and useful for your team. If everything looks good, go back to Zapier and switch the automation from draft to publish. Once it's live, every new message in your selected Skype chat will automatically send a formatted notification into Slack. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next